Hello students, I am here with a very important question for your GTU exam of concrete technology, that is define creep and factors affecting creep. So let's start. So first of all, what is creep? The increase of strain in concrete with time under sustained stress is termed as creep. Now factors affecting creep. So these are the factors which affect the creep is enlisted as first one, aggregate water cement ratio, age at the time of loading, moisture content of the concrete, humidity of the ambient air, type of cement, intensity and duration of stress, size of specimen and temperature. Now we will discuss in detail. First, aggregate. Normally, aggregate undergoes very little creep. It is the paste which is responsible for the creep. However, the aggregate provide restraint effect when the paste undergoes creep. The stronger the aggregate, the more is the restraining effect, and hence the less is the magnitude of creep. The modulus of elasticity of aggregate is also one of the important factor influencing creep. The higher the modulus of elasticity of aggregate, the less is the creep. Lightweight aggregate shows considerably high creep than normal weight aggregate because of lower modulus of elasticity. It has been found that greater the maximum size of an aggregate, the less is the creep. So the size of aggregate is inversely proportional to the creep. When the greater size of aggregate is used, the creep will be less. Okay. Next is water cement ratio. A higher water cement ratio increases the size of pores in the paste. The amount of paste content and its quality is one of the most important factor influencing creep. A poor paste structure undergoes higher creep. Creep increases with increase in water cement ratio. All the factors which are affecting the water cement ratio also affect the creep of concrete. Okay. So water cement ratio is directly proportional to creep. As the water cement ratio increases, creep will be also increasing. Age at the time of loading. The quality of gel improves with time. Such gel creeps less, whereas a young gel under load being not be so stronger creeps more. Hence creep decreases with the age of the concrete. Next is moisture content of the concrete. Increase in moisture content of concrete increases creep. It is directly proportional. Humidity of the ambient air. Humidity of the air affects the seepage of moisture from the concrete. An increase in the humidity reduces the rate of loss of moisture, and this reduces the seepage. Thus, for a given concrete, creep is higher the lower the relative humidity. Okay, creep will be higher when the relative humidity will be less. So it is an inversely proportional. Okay. Next is type of cement. The type of cement influences creep in so far it influences the strength of the concrete. At the time of application of the load, under drying condition, Portland blast furnace slag cement result in a higher creep than usual type of Portland cement. Fineness of cement affects the strength development at early ages and thus influences creep. The finer the cement, the higher is the gypsum requirement. So that regrinding of cement in the laboratory without the addition of gypsum produces improperly retarded cement, which exhibits high creep. Intensity and duration of stress. In many tests, a directly proportionality between creep and the applied stress has been found to exist. Okay. Troxylatel found that specimens cured for 90 days and then loaded for 21 years shows 680,000 and 14 into 10 raised to minus 6 creep strains corresponding to sustained stress level up to 4 megapascal, 6 megapascal and 8 megapascal. Okay. Next is size of the specimen. The size of specimen also affect the magnitude of creep. The magnitude of creep decreases with increase in the size of the specimen, so it is inversely proportional. This is due to the reduced seepage as the path traveled by the expelled water is greater, with the resulting increase in the frictional resistance to the flow of water from the interior. And last is temperature. The temperature to which concrete is exposed can have two counteracting effect on creep. If a concrete member is exposed to a higher than normal temperature as a part of the curing, before it is loaded, the strength will increase and the creep strain would be less than that of corresponding concrete. On the other hand, exposure to high temperature during the period under load and increase creep. The load influences the temperature on creep is of considerable interest to nuclear pre-stressed concrete reactor vessel. I hope you have clear about it. Thank you.